In this video, I will show you how to rank the race results in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing a list of players and their finishing times. Now I want to calculate the rank of each player based on the time duration. In a race, the player taking the lowest time or the fastest time ranks first, and the player taking the highest or the longest time ranks last. So we need to rank players based on the race times in ascending order. I will use the Excel rank function to do that. The rank function returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers relative to the other values in the list. This function accepts three arguments: a number, a list, and an optional order. If the order argument is either 0 or not provided, the numbers are ranked in descending order. If the order argument is 1, then the numbers are ranked in an ascending order list. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type rank followed by an opening bracket. I will select the first time, that is cell C3, as the first argument of the rank function. Type a comma and then select the time column as the second list argument. All the ranks are calculated relative to the time values given in this list. Since we want to rank the results in an ascending list, that is lowest times ranks first, I will specify 1 as the third order argument followed by the closing bracket. I will also make the time range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this, so that it does not change when we copy the formula to other cells. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the ranks of race results. The fourth player took the lowest time, that is 4 minutes and 29 seconds, and is ranked 1, while the third player took the longest time to complete the race, that is 5 minutes and 23 seconds, and is ranked at the 6th position. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.